Okay.
Find it!
It's very snowy. Oh, far away. Uh-oh. This could get messy.
Find eat more!
She's so hungry.
Yes.
Good. Let's get her some.
Poochie.
Where?
That's Soph!
That's who?
Soph!
Soph? Say you little buddy.
Soph. Soph, bite these.
Oh, you want to give one of those to Soph?
Yes.
Okay.
Bite hand. Soph, bite hand.
Sometimes she does bite your hand when she's trying to eat a treat. I wish I could videotape the snow coming down sideways, but oh, okay. Do you want to give that to her? It's good. Oh, get up, Froey. What is she eating? That's funny. Oh, she's standing still for a minute. The video keeps going like back and forth, back and forth. Like, oh, she's standing still for a second. Poochie. What's that Poochie's name? Here's Froey eating her cereal.